Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your money on PayPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and convert your money to euros or Canadian dollars. How do you actually go ahead and convert your money on PayPal? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your PayPal account, and then you need to go to the money page. So there's two ways to actually go ahead about doing so. You can click on this drop-down menu and then click on view money page, or you can click on finance on the left-hand side and click on the money page as well. Now, this is where you're going to see the list of currencies in your PayPal account. So if you have US dollar, just click on convert currency and then change the to country here to whichever currency you want it to be exchanged to. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and convert money on PayPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.